Hey guys, welcome back. So what is today's question? Can I install the cockpit myself even if I don't have mechanical skills? Yeah, you can. More than likely you can. Now, you've gone through a design process with us, 3 simple steps that involve photos, measurements, and then double checking your measurements. By that time, you're probably going to have a pretty good or very good idea of what's going to go where. There's going to be some brackets, there's some bolt holes. You're going to have a really good idea of what bolts we are mounting to because you took measurements of them. Now, by the time the build's done, after a few weeks and everything, you may be hazy on that. We've taken photos of the brackets and of the brackets in their positions. We've got the build diagram that's there for you. And even more importantly, maybe, we personally are there for you. So if you have any questions, any concerns, you just reach out to us and we'll provide guidance. And so you have the support you need to tackle this by yourself. Now, all of that said, everything comes with a concern about liability and a disclaimer and fine print. So let me say the fine print very largely: don't do it yourself. As you can appreciate, we're always going to tell you to take it to a local mechanic, to take it to a professional and have them mount it. We're always going to tell you that. You understand why? So we're just always going to tell you that. It's not an IKEA sort of coffee table, and you just kind of throw it together and all it's got to do is support the weight of your TV dinner and a cup of coffee, right? It is something to be taken seriously. So if you have any doubts or concerns about your ability with tools to install this safely and securely, don't mess around. Take it to a local professional and have them do it. So can you do it yourself? Yes, you can. Are we going to suggest that you do it yourself? No, we are going to suggest that you take it to a professional.